With UpKeep, you can easily track the usage and conditions of assets. After creating a new meter for an asset, you can log readings from gauges affixed to the asset or conditional monitoring sensors. You can use these readings to monitor asset health from your CMMS and trigger new work orders. You can trigger new work orders for an asset when a reading reaches or exceeds a specified interval, or when a reading is greater than, less than, or equal to a specified number. When conditions are met, a work order is created and a technician assigned. Here, we've set up a work order to trigger after a molding machine performs 40,000 new cycles. Now, when we submit a reading that meets or exceeds that interval, a new work order is assigned to the technician that maintains the asset. We can see the new work order on the work orders page. In addition to triggering new work orders with meter readings, you can easily monitor asset health. You can see a graph of historical readings as well as a detailed log. As for logging meter readings, you can do this with UpKeep's mobile app. After logging a new meter reading, the historical log is updated and work orders are triggered if specified conditions are met. To start logging meter readings in your CMMS, create a free UpKeep account today.